Hi guys, I am here with a really super quick unboxing video. A few weeks ago I spoke with a girl I went to high school with who has been selling Mary Kay for I think she said 16 years, and she sent me some samples, and in one of my previous videos I used as many of the samples as I could to create a full face of makeup, and I was super impressed with the products. So I wanted to try some more. In speaking with her, I earned some credits towards some free products, so I used my credits to buy a foundation because I have a hard time color matching different brands, and I'm all for trying different formulas and different brands to see what works well for me. I haven't received those yet, but I'm really looking forward to it. Mary Kay does this cool thing where they will send you multiple shades so that you can color match properly, and then they will only charge you for the one shade that works for you, and then they will damage out the rest of the products, which is super, super generous and great for the customer to make sure that you are getting exactly what it is that you need. But beyond the foundation that I ordered, I also ordered an advent calendar because what's more fun than multiple days of makeup right before Christmas? So here's my box. I'm gonna open it up for you right now and show you what's inside. So here's the box on the inside. It comes with a pretty pink packing paper, and it says "Delight Up the Holidays," which is super cute. It came with their holiday and fall catalogs, which I will look through because I love shopping for makeup. And also it came up with a sample of their Illuminea perfume. Let's try it out. That smells really pretty. I don't wear perfume, but this is a scent I would consider wearing. You know what? I'm not going anywhere today. Let's just put it on. I like it. All right, Mary Kay, you're winning me over here. Here it is. Ta-da! 12 days of faves. And then it also has it in Spanish. Días de favoritos. My Spanish is very bad. So on the back, it tells you exactly what comes inside. So you get hydrogel eye patches, a sample of their foundation, primer, sunscreen, oil-free makeup remover, that's nice, a lip gloss, a mascara, a white tea and citrus satin lip shea sugar scrub for so it's just a lip scrub, and then you get a hand cream, a really pretty lipstick and naturally buff, and a black eyeliner, a charcoal mask, a liquid eyeshadow, and a microdermabrasion plus set deluxe mini. Ooh, I am excited about all of these. So I'm gonna bust this open because I'm not gonna wait until December to try this out. I just have no patience. So some of these things I wanna try right now, so I'm gonna do it. How do you open it though? How do you open it? I'm trying not to rip it, but I can't do it without ripping it. Okay. I could not open the box without ripping it, so I just had to rip it. But it's okay, it still has this cute little cover on it. Here it is, and it's got all the days on it. So obviously like an advent calendar, you just pick the days and you open the different products. So the thing is, I have things that I want to try, but I don't know what is what. So I think I'll just go ahead and open all the days, and then you guys can see what you will get if you get one of these. But I think it's sold out, so sorry. All right, simplified. I think they're in order. So box number one in here was the hydrogel eye patches. You get one set of those. Box number two, let's see what's in here. Box number two is the foundation primer. Box number three is cute and little. This is the sample makeup remover. Box number four is super cute with these little lips on it. Actually, we'll probably maybe hold on to that box. This is the unlimited lip gloss in the color Sheer Illusion. So I'm gonna try this in a second. Box number five is the ultimate mascara sample. It's really tiny. This is a really tiny mascara sample. But I have learned from experience with the Mary Kay samples that you get a lot of bang for your buck with the samples, so it'll be okay. This is the Satin Lips Shea Scrub. That was box number 6. Box number 7 is the Satin Hands Cream, which actually I'm just going to use right now because it's winter time and my hands are super, super dry. Oh, that feels nice. It smells good too. It's nice and fresh. It's not too strong. Not greasy. That's a nice hand cream. I like it. Cool. Number 8. This is the Semi Shine lipstick, which I'm gonna try in a minute, but let me open the rest of these boxes first. Number 9 is the eyeliner, which I'm also gonna try. Number 10. This is the Microdermabrasion Duo, which I love skincare these days because I'm old, y'all. Number 11. Which one is this one? This was the liquid eyeshadow. I think I might try that out too. Box number 12. This is the kind of longest, biggest, heaviest one. I don't remember what was in here. Let's see. Box number 12. Oh, this is a full-size charcoal mask. That is actually a surprise. I wasn't expecting to get a full-size product in here, but this is a nice big product. I will say also, actually, I think the foundation primer is also full-size. This is a very large product too in comparison to the other samples. This one's actually really big. So to get 2 full-size products, plus I think the lipstick and the lip gloss. Actually, so now that I think about it, it's actually, you get a good amount of full-size products going back through this. That's great. And the eyeliner too. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size products out of 12, which is nice. So I will tell you, the receipt says that this 12 Days of Faves advent calendar retails for $99. I did not pay $99 for it. I paid $59 for it. But considering I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size products, I think that, you know, $60 is not bad for the amount of stuff that I got in there. So I would recommend it. I don't think it's available anymore, but if you have a Mary Kay representative, you can check with them. If you are looking for one to try, I have a great one to recommend for you. So let me know. I'm gonna try some of these out right now.